Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the picture quiz. You can see the rules here. We don't have teams here, so if you know the correct answer, you can type the answer and send it. Correct answer will get 10 marks, no negatives for a wrong answer. Let us see the first picture. What is the name of this fiber yielding plant? I need a full answer. A full answer means, for example, if it is cotton, you have to type COTTON. सब लोग जूट बोलते हैं. Jute is the wrong answer here. Okay, the correct answer is flax and it gives linen. Okay, flax plant gives linen. Okay, right. Next question. Ready? Name this device. Who invented it? First part we will use only what is the name of the device. Just the name of the device. That's enough. Name of the device. Yeah, answers are like what? Barometer, light, minus lamp, lantern, light. Okay. Minus lamp is the right answer. Who said minus lamp? Rajeshwari gets 10 marks. Rajeshwari gets 10 marks. Next, who invented it? This is minus lamp and who invented it? Not Edison. Not Edison. So Jayagita Masilamani gave the right answer. The right answer is Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy is the right answer. Humphrey Davy invented the minus safety lamp. Okay. So Jayagita, give yourself marks. Well. Next question. Ready? What device is this often seen in a physics lab? Okay, இது கொஞ்சம் higher class படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தான் இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் தெரியும். CRT, not CRT. Rheostat. Okay, once again, Jayagita Masilamani. Rheostat is the answer to this. Okay, in the device path in the part, this device is called rheostat. Okay, the answer is rheostat. And Jayagita Masilamani gets 10 marks once again. Next question. This was one of the biggest companies during the IT boom. Name the company. Company per எழுதிருக்கு. Okay, Shandip yes gets correct answer. Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems was one of the biggest companies during the early IT boom. Sun Microsystems இருந்த mark. Anyway, Shandip has got the marks. Okay. Shandip, give yourself 10 marks. Let us go to the next question. Name this item. First, item mattum. Only the item. Not the inventor. Just the item's name. Not Radio Divya. Not megaphone. It's gramophone. Dodo Jeff. Jeff, give yourself marks. And who invented it? Edison is the right answer and it first came from Tolgapian. So Jeff 10 marks and Tolgapian 10 marks. Okay. Gramophone, phonograph. Okay, both are same. So marks to Tolgapian and Jeff. Right next. Ready? What logo is this? Cloud. OneDrive. Clouds. Cloud couldn't answer Skype. Okay, the answer is Microsoft OneDrive. So let us go back and check who was the first OneDrive. Cloud in Sona Pakadpa. The answer is OneDrive. Okay. All these cloud logos look similar. Let us check. Hariram. Okay. Hariram stores in gigabytes. So He himself is like a cloud storage only. என்ன என்ன வீட்டுக்கு போக வேண்டியது தானே? ஏன் என்னது? You are the one who has to coordinate the meeting. நீ மீட்டிங் ரெடி பண்ண சீக்கிரம். Okay, next. Ready? So Hariram Mark could touch our next question. Name this popular scientist related to electricity. Darshan says Ohm. Okay, it looks like Ohm to me. Oh, sorry. The answer is Ampere. None of you have given Ampere as the answer. So this is Ampere. Andre Marie Ampere is related to electric current. Okay. Next question. Name this experiment. This led to the discovery of what? Okay, first, what is the name of this experiment? What is the name of this experiment? I don't want what is the name of this tube. It's not a cathode ray tube. It's not vacuum experiment. It's not battery. Okay, let us go to the second part of the question. This experiment led to the discovery of what? It's not generator, it's not electron. This experiment led to the discovery of proton. Okay, Hariram gave the right answer. It's called Goldstein experiment. Okay, you can write the point like this. Goldstein experiment. Hariram will get marks. So Goldstein experiment led to the discovery of protons. It is not gold foil experiment. It's an experiment conducted by a scientist named Goldstein. Okay, right. Next question. What molecule is this and what is its common name? See, normally black denotes carbon, white denotes hydrogen and red denotes oxygen. Okay, people, Jay Geeta Masilamani, acetic acid is the right answer. Acetic acid is the right answer. Vijay Mitran, you will also get marks for saying vinegar. It is acetic acid, commonly called vinegar. So Jay Geeta Masilamani and Vijay Mitran get marks. Jay Geeta Masilamani and Vijay Mitran. It is acetic acid molecule. Formula is CH3COOH. We commonly call it as vinegar, especially a dilute solution of acetic acid in water is called vinegar. Vinegar is a commonly used preservative. Okay. Vinegar is 100% effective against which microorganisms? Fungi. Okay. You spray vinegar on fungi, whatever fungus it is, it will be dead. Next question. Ready? What is this? Netra will get marks. Huh? எல்லாருக்கும் ஃபியூஸ் போயிடுச்சு. Answer is fuse, of course, but the number of people answering are many. Though the answer is fuse, the number of people answering are many. Okay, it is Jeff who gets marks. Jeff, you get 10 marks. fuse can conduct only a particular volume of current. If the volume of current goes beyond what the fuse can carry, then the fuse will snap. Okay, that's the fuse poichinu solrom. Okay, next. Give the scientific name of this commonly used spice. So I'm asking the scientific name. Wait. First, type the name of this spice. நம்ம ஊர்ல குக்கிங்ல இது இல்லாம பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. Okay, Srinidhi, you will get marks. It is mustard, all right. Srinidhi, you will get marks. The answer is mustard. Okay. Srinidhi was the first to respond. Now come for the scientific name. Brassica nigra is the answer, and Kadiravan gets marks. Sorry. Brassica nigra, Brassica rapa. Okay. All right. So Kadiravan, you'll get marks. Srinidhi, you also got marks earlier. Right. Next question. This is an experimental setup to find out what? I'm asking to find out what? Somebody says bulb, electromagnet, electromagnetism, electric induction. Okay. It is an experimental setup to find out eddy currents. None of you have given the answer as eddy current. Okay. So if you look at this picture carefully, you can see in the bottom that there are some green lines shown. Okay. So you'll read more about eddy currents in the coming years. Next question. This is audience question. Let us take it. What can the question mark be replaced with? Lead, zirconate, titanate. அது வந்து எதுல என்ன யூஸ்? Okay, it is a nuclear reactor core or something like that. It's not gas. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு இதுலயும் பேர் இருக்கு. Dielectric layer ஒன்னு இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னு வந்து மெட்டல்னு இருக்கு. Graphite is a wrong answer. Electric layer is a wrong answer. Let us see the answer itself. It is called ferroelectric layer. Okay, இதுல வந்து first ஒரு ferroelectric layer இருக்கு, அதுக்கு கீழே dielectric layer இருக்கு, அதுக்கு கீழே metal இருக்கு. Okay. So இந்த மூணையும் வச்சா current pass ஆகுதா அப்படின்னு check பண்றாங்க. Right. So none of you get marks here. Next one. What item is this? What item is this? Quickly. Dimitri Terrell. The answer is nanotube. Dimitri, get yourself 10 marks. It's a nanotube. Dimitri Terrell gave the right answer first. It's nanotube. One more audience question. This is the logo of what? Poco, not Poco. Arvind, science quiz from Poconas something. Pogo. No. It's DeepMind. Okay, the logo of DeepMind. DeepMind is an artificial intelligence created by Google. Okay. Let us see whether we have come to, we have come to the end of this round. Okay. We'll reconnect.